Hi, welcome to Mint Green Sewing. My name's Denitza. Today we're going to do a lookbook through my Me Mades. Some of them are older, some of them are fairly new. Some of them are favorites and some of them really aren't. Um, Today I'm wearing one of my favorites for the intro. I have my pumpkin hat by Angela Clayton. It's a beret pattern and I put on pumpkin leaves and pumpkin vines. And then I use this Joanne Halloween fabric. Hopefully, by wearing this fabric and wearing pumpkin inspired things, it'll bring on the colder weather, including my scaredy cat earrings with pumpkins on them. I'm going to go ahead and get into that video now.
Here I'm wearing my favorite. It's Butterick 6211. It's a Joann's fabric in a light blue with black cats on it. I put the orange piping around the dress, but I don't think it's supposed to have that 3 to 4 inch gap in the front. But regardless, it's really cute. If you notice the back, there are cats in the opposite direction. That was a mistake on cutting on my behalf, but it gets what I want done for a Halloween dress. It is similar to its construction, just like the walkaway dress. Basically a big apron and ties around the front. This hat here is an Angela Clayton hat. She did a tutorial on it. I just added pumpkin leaves and pumpkin vines to it. I'll link it down below. This crop top here is a quick sew pattern from 1980. It's 2845. I used up my remaining fabric from the next dress I'll show in the next slide. It's a poppy or posy red flowered fabric's really cute, very stretchy, has a lot of ease. This next dress is a Butterick 6413 by Gertie. It has a peephole underneath the bra line. I'm not a big fan of it. I always see my bra in it, and if I was to make it again, I would uninclude it. This next dress is a Dorothy type gingham, and it has a Sleeping Beauty type collar, but it was a pain to sew. It was Mccalls 7805. I added pockets, but it created some gapping, gaping issues. So it's not my favorite dress, but it is very easy to wear, so it fits well in the closet. This is my Barbie make for the 2023 movie. I added some embroidered peaches to the bottom. It's McCall's 75.99 top from the dress, Simplicity's 89.32 shorts, and the overskirt is something that I just dropped it up on my cutting table. I had a lot of fun at the movie. I do have a video on my channel about making this ensemble. The heart cutout, I just kind of guessed. I wish that I put a little bit more interfacing. My dog is going to show up in the lower left corner of the screen for quality control, making sure that I'm videoing well, in his opinion. He's a healer, so he's like the marshal of the town. If you have a healer, you understand they have to kind of be a Velcro dog. Great dogs, though. I like the versatility of this dress. I can make it a romper, or I can wear it with the overskirt and make it look like the Barbie dress from the movie. This next one is a Lolita dress. It's made with a bed sheet that's got blue, yellow, and pink flowers. It's not my favorite. It's Simplicity 8127. It's pretty tight. I will be giving it away after this video. The rest area is not constructed well, and I do warn you if you make it, it's hard to wear a bra. This next one is Simplicity 8051. It is made out of a curtain from my mother and father's first home together. It's got blue, tealish background with pink hibiscus flowers. It's very cute. The thing I like most about this one is the twirl. It's got a great twirl because the fabric is heavy. Um, in this area here on the skirt, it's got pattern matching. You can't even tell. It's such a wide skirt, but a pattern matched the flowers. I'm particularly proud of how easily I got them to match up right there. This one is a Star Wars print dress. It's atypical. It's got pink, blue, greens, yellows. It's just not the typical colors for the characters. It is Mccalls 81.95. I made the sleeveless version and I believe I added pockets to it. It didn't originally have pockets in it. I put a teal mint kind of green trim at the bottom of it and I put a red zipper because I figured with all the colors that the fabric already has, it it kind of goes with it. This is my sunflower dress. It's actually my favorite in my closet besides my cat dress. It is Hobby Lobby sunflower fabric. It's in their cotton section, and it's got a great twirl. I like the way it fits. The only thing I don't like about this pattern, it is a side zipper. It's McCall's 75.99. And I also put some eyelace, no, eyelet trim on the bottom to mimic the white that it is on the top. These are fun. These are, I forget the proper term for them, but they're like the one size fits for a while kind of thing. Um, it's very adjustable. I call them like my beach pants, but I know that's not the proper term for them. They're really easy to put on. I tie in the back, and then I have ties in the front, and then I put snaps in on the sides, which you'll see me do in the next clip because uh, it gapes, and sometimes when I'm walking, I don't want somebody to see too much of me. The tablecloth. I really like the colors in it, and I took it off of the rack in the Goodwill where the towels and curtains go, and I immediately knew I was going to change it into a skirt. This next one is quilting cotton. It has like an elephant and kids going to like a parade or circus at the bottom of it. I just used some scrap fabrics and things I had laying around. This next one is not great quality. The fabric is falling apart. I just wanted a plaid skirt. It's like upholstery fabric. It's just not great. It's falling apart as we look at it. I paired it with this vest type corset. Um, it's Butterick 61.96. It is an older pattern. I don't think that you can get it except for like eBay. It is reversible. I got red velvet with gold on one side, and then the other side is dark green fabric with flowers that are pretty small. It's cute. I wear it to the Renaissance fair. This one I did not make the shorts for, but I did make the top to match the shorts. It's Simplicity 1426. I like the top, but I haven't had the confidence to wear it. Cute beach set though, something to go peruse the shoreline with. This one is lime fabric that's yellow and white striped, and I attached pom poms that are lime green on the top. It's really tight. I still wear the shorts, but the top, it's just not going to get a lot of use. I made this for Disneyland and then I proceeded to not wear it to Disneyland. It's Lilo and Stitch fabric that's got a light blue background. It's Simplicity 882 by Gertie. 8882. I like these ones. I bought like I would say 150 yards of this dark blue fabric. I actually covered my couch with it and I still got a ton of it. Bought the whole roll for 10 bucks at a yard sale. I got a sailor belt with it and I like to wear my stripes because it makes me feel cute, like very beach like wear. Um, I like the pattern, but it was actually a short pattern. I just lengthened the legs. I like the way that they instruct you to do the back side of it, like to create the design line. And I like how they instruct you how to use the pockets or put the pockets in and the zip fly. Very easy construction. Definitely recommend the pattern. It was very easy for me to use. This one I just made for the Barbie movie, but at last minute I made the other one. It's pink and blue dots, polka dots, but the fabric is white. I made it with Butterick 6055, but there's just something I don't know. Maybe it's because I look like the Joker when he's wearing the nurse's costume, and I think that just bothers me. So I haven't worn it anywhere. I made a matching belt. It's just not my favorite. It's got the sleeves that are set into the blouse. Sometimes patterns just don't work for you. This one I self drafted. It was supposed to end up being a really long dress, but I cut it because it made me look very dowdy, and I didn't like it. And self confidence is key. This is the first time I did shearing. I don't think I showed the back of it because it was folded down when I was taking the video, but this is my first sheared top. I like the big billowy sleeves. I like the cottage core feel of it. This is my walkaway dress. It is roosters in black and then roosters in white. And then I lined it or did the piping in red. It's got a really big red button. I put snaps there because it did end up being really small on me, but I didn't have too much of one fabric and not enough of the other, so I pieced it together. This one's a favorite of mine. It's Mimi G Simplicity 9330. It is a shorts or dress pattern, but I made the shorts a lot longer. And then I accidentally made the bow too long, but I guess it's okay. I just make like a third loop out of it. This one is yellow and red fall fabric from Joann's. I made the belt, but I actually put a button for the tie because I didn't have a belt um, mechanism for it. The collar's cute. I would say it's a little easier than that gingham one to construct. I did the sleeves wrong. I think the red part is supposed to be tucked in, but I figured I'd leave it out because it's a design choice.
Thank you for joining me today through my lookbook. I have a better idea on the things that I need to give away or maybe sell to the next person, such as the Lolita dress, it's very tight, or take my zippers and my notions out of a certain skirt, the green one especially. I just don't like the way it fits. It's falling apart on the inside. It's just not great quality, and the fabric is very loosely woven, so it's actually falling apart as we're talking about it. Um, if you'd like this video, please subscribe. If you'd like to stay around, I will be putting a lot of the clothes that I tried on today into my mending pile, especially the blue pants that are my sailor wide leg pants. And I will also be fixing my walkaway dress. And if I can't fix it because the fabric has torn too bad, I will go ahead and make another one. So if you'd like to follow me on that journey of mending my clothes that are me made in my closet, stay tuned and I'll be releasing that video soon. Thank you. Goodbye.